Today we are going to pick out my 5 favourite watches from one of the best AliExpress brands, San Martin. Hello everyone, welcome back to the show, and today we are going to be looking at probably the most premium brand on AliExpress, and that of course is San Martin. Now today I'm going to pick 5 watches, and they are a mixture of watches that I've had hands-on with or plan to at some point in the near future. As we know, San Martin are renowned for their quality and value for money, with both homages and original designs alike, but if you want further info on them, don't just take my word for it. Honestly, I promise you there are plenty of reviewers on YouTube and on the internet with this brand, and they like them as well. By the way, this list was insanely difficult to populate. The top 5 turned into a top 10, and then by the time I'd finished it was a top 30 before I managed to squeeze this back down to a top 5. There are plenty of models that I could have put on this list that I have missed out today just to get a little bit of variation. Now I have left affiliate links below, so feel free to use them. It helps out the channel a lot. Now let's get on with it. First off, today we have a homage of one of my favourite Garda watches of all time, the Omega Railmaster, the 57 edition. The specifications we have for this watch are as follows: 38mm in diameter, lug to lug 47mm, a lug width of 20mm, and finally a thickness of 13mm. It is powered by the NH35 and the SN0113G. Let's just call it the Rayleigh. Actually, maybe not. It offers sapphire crystal, 100 meters of water resistance, and has a weight of around 132 grams. Love this watch, love this look, and for £191.30, the price is pretty good as well. Next up, we have a beautiful pilot's watch that comes in a number of different colours. Enter the SN0033-G2. A diameter of 38.5mm this time, a lug to lug of 48mm, and a thickness of 12mm with a lug width again of 20mm. This watch has sapphire crystal, 100 meters of water resistance, and is powered by either the Seiko NH35 or the YN55 by Seiko's sister brand, Orient. My favourite colourway is red burgundy on this one, but it also comes in a leather and stainless steel bracelet, and with plenty of different colourways to choose from. All of them do look pretty good. This one comes in at £135.37. Currently it's on super deals, and I think that's a pretty good bargain. The next one has a passing resemblance to the Omega Seamaster. Not Speedmaster, Seamaster. God, there are so many masters at the moment. But it is a true homage, by the way, of it not being an out-and-out copy, and I do like that. Enter the San Martin SN0036-G-B, or as I'll call it, the Almost Seamaster. Actually, no, I'm gonna stop naming things. This one is a proper dive style watch with proportions of 42.5mm in diameter, 48.5mm lug to lug, a thickness of 13.8mm, and finally a lug width of 20mm. This one comes in their different colorways, and all of them are pretty good. I do like the blue one, but also like the granular red as well, and I like the green as well. I like all 3 of them. They're good colorways. This one has sapphire crystal with AR coating, 300 meters of water resistance, fantastic lume, BGW9 by the way, and is powered again by the venerable NH35. All this for £208.83. Now, naively, I thought that Boltony was the only brand doing this design well at the moment, but I was wrong. Enter the military style chronograph from San Martin, the SN0120-G. This one comes in 37mm in diameter, 46mm lug to lug, 12mm thickness, and a 20mm lug width. Super compact, it's going to wear well on most wrists. This one is powered by the fantastic Seiko VK61 Mecha Quartz movement. Sapphire crystal, 100 meters of water resistance, a nice soft nylon strap with an awesome bead blasted finish. All of those pecs, oh my god, what's wrong with me today? All of these specs for just under £100. More specifically, it is £86.04. definitely bargain of the week. And finally, yes, I promise you I've kept this list to 5. This is the first time I've done this. Hooray for me. Thank God I actually did that for once. This is one of my favourite AliExpress pickups of last year, of 2022, but since I bought it, it now comes in more than just the bog standard black dial, and they've upgraded the movement as well. You've got cream, blue, orange and sage green. All of these look amazing. This is a homage to the Black Bay Pro, and it comes in has the same 39mm in diameter, but only a 12.4mm thickness and a 20mm lug width. You have sapphire crystal, 100 meters of water resistance, a nice bracelet, and again, great BGW9 lume. Now, this is a GMT powered watch by Seiko's popular NH34 movement. I love this design, love the brand, and this watch is currently on sale for £251.61. And there you have it. I haven't done one of these lists in a while. I really enjoy doing them, so I'm going to start going through my favorite brands on AliExpress, and I will get some specific lists in place as we go on. Don't forget, affiliate links to these watches are listed below. Please click on them. It does massively help the channel out. Stay safe, everyone, and I'll see you all again very, very soon.